Have you ever wondered how to make money in Ethiopia? This vibrant East African nation is brimming with potential, making it a prime location for budding entrepreneurs. Ethiopia's economy is on an upward trajectory, fueled by a mix of agriculture, manufacturing, and service sectors. This growth, coupled with a population of over 100 million people, creates a vast marketplace ready for innovative products and services. The Ethiopian government is also playing its part, fostering a nurturing environment for businesses. They've introduced policies and incentives to encourage entrepreneurship, reducing barriers to entry, and making it easier for startups to thrive. So whether you're drawn to the bustling city life of Addis Ababa or the untapped potential of rural regions, Ethiopia offers a wealth of opportunities. From tech startups to agribusiness, the possibilities are as diverse as the landscape itself. If you've ever thought about starting your own business in Ethiopia, this video is for you. The first step to making money in Ethiopia is by choosing the right business idea. Now, this isn't as daunting as it might initially sound. It's all about understanding the market demand in Ethiopia and identifying sectors with high potential. For instance, let's look at some sectors that are currently thriving. Agriculture is a leading sector in Ethiopia, contributing to more than a third of the country's GDP. If you have a knack for farming or agribusiness, this might be the perfect avenue for you. But it's not just about growing crops or raising livestock. Think about the value chain. Processing, packaging, and distribution are all integral parts of this sector. Then there's manufacturing. Ethiopia has a growing manufacturing sector, particularly in textiles and garments. A business idea that can tap into this potential could be a real game changer. However, remember that the manufacturing industry requires a significant upfront investment and careful planning. Tourism is another sector that's worth considering. With its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning landscapes, Ethiopia attracts tourists from all over the world. A business that caters to these visitors, be it in hospitality, tour operations, or souvenir production, could be a hit. Meanwhile, the technology sector in Ethiopia is still in its nascent stages but holds immense potential. If you're tech-savvy and innovative, this sector provides a vast playground for your ideas. From software development to digital marketing services, the opportunities are endless. Lastly, real estate is a booming sector in Ethiopia, especially in urban areas. With the growing urbanization and population, there's a high demand for housing and commercial spaces. But bear in mind, real estate requires substantial capital and a good understanding of the market trends. As you can see, there's no one-size-fits-all business idea for Ethiopia. It's about finding a sector that resonates with your interests and skills, and then crafting a business idea that meets the market demand. Remember, the success of your business hinges on the relevance of your idea to the Ethiopian market. Once you've chosen your business idea, the next step is to create a comprehensive business plan. A business plan is like a blueprint for your venture, a roadmap that outlines your business goals and details how you plan to achieve them. It's a crucial tool to help you strategize, prioritize, and manage your business effectively. Let's dive into the essential elements of a business plan. First up is the executive summary. Think of this as an elevator pitch for your business. It should succinctly encapsulate what your business does, the problem it solves, and why it's unique. Remember, this is often the first thing people read, so make it compelling. Next, a company description provides an in-depth look at what your business does, how it does it, and who it does it for. Here you'll want to highlight the strengths of your business and how it stands apart from the competition. Market analysis is where you showcase your understanding of the industry landscape. Who are your competitors? What are the market trends? And most importantly, who are your customers? This section provides the opportunity to demonstrate your knowledge about your target market and your strategy to capture it. The organization and management section outlines your business structure. Who's running the show? What are their roles? Here, you'll detail your team's expertise and how their skills contribute to the success of your business. Your service or product line section is where you describe what you're selling or what service you're offering. How does it benefit your customers? What is its life cycle? This is your chance to really sell your product or service. Marketing and sales is about how you plan to attract and retain customers. What's your sales strategy? How will you promote your business? This section should outline your plan for growth. Finally, financial projections. This is where you provide a forecast of your business's financial health. You'll include income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements for the next 3 to 5 years. This section is critical for attracting investors. A well-structured business plan will pave the way for the success of your business venture in Ethiopia. After crafting your business plan, the next step is to register your business. The process of registering a business in Ethiopia is a straightforward one, but it does require some attention to detail. It's akin to laying the foundation for a building. The stronger and more well-planned it is, the more resilient your business will be. First, you'll need to decide on a trade name for your business. This name must be unique and should reflect the nature of your business. It's the name that will be seen on all your official documents and transactions, so choose it wisely. Next, you'll need to acquire a business license. This is a legal document that allows you to operate within your chosen industry in Ethiopia. You'll need to apply through the Ministry of Trade and Industry or through local government offices, depending on the nature of your business. Be prepared to provide details about your business, including its location, the nature of your operations, and your anticipated revenue. Now let's talk about the Tax Identification Number or TIN. This number is crucial as it identifies your business for tax purposes. It's like your business's social security number. To get a TIN, you'll have to apply to the Ethiopian Revenue and Customs Authority. They'll need some basic information about your business, and in return, you'll get a unique number that you'll use when paying taxes or dealing with other tax-related matters. Lastly, you might need additional permits or licenses depending on the industry you're in. For instance, if you're in the food business, you'll need health and safety permits. If you're in the import-export business, you'll need a special license from the Ministry of Trade and Industry. Registration might seem like a daunting process, but it's a one-time effort that paves the way for smooth operations down the line. Plus, there are agencies and professionals who can assist you with it if needed. Remember, legal business operation in Ethiopia begins with proper business registration. Now that you've registered your business, it's time to secure funding. Funding is the fuel that will keep your business engine running. It's an essential part of starting any business, and Ethiopia is no exception. Let's start with personal savings. This is usually the first port of call for many entrepreneurs. Using your personal savings gives you full control over your business. There are no investors to answer to, no interest to pay. But remember, it also means taking on all the risk yourself. Next, we have loans. Banks, credit unions, and other financial institutions offer different types of business loans. But tread carefully. These loans come with interest and need to be paid back within a certain time frame. Make sure you understand the terms before signing on the dotted line. Grants are another route to consider. A grant is essentially free money given to businesses that meet certain criteria. In Ethiopia, there are several organizations that offer grants to businesses, particularly those that contribute to local development or innovation. Do your research and see if your business qualifies. Then, there are investors. These could be angel investors, venture capitalists, or even friends and family. Investors provide funds in exchange for equity in your business. This means they become part owners and will share in your profits. Finding the right investor can also open doors to valuable networks and mentorship. Lastly, let's not forget financial management. Securing funding is one thing, but managing it wisely is another. Keep a close eye on your cash flow. Make sure your business is generating enough income to cover expenses and reinvest in growth. Remember, each source of funding has its pros and cons. It's important to carefully consider what works best for your business. Weigh the risks, understand the obligations, and make informed decisions. With the right financing, you are now ready to kickstart your business operations in Ethiopia. Let's quickly recap the steps discussed on how to make money in Ethiopia. We started with the importance of choosing the right business idea. Remember, a good business idea is one that aligns with your skills, interests, and the market demand in Ethiopia. Next, we delved into creating a business plan. This is your roadmap to success, outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. A well-crafted business plan not only guides your operations, but also attracts potential investors. Then, we covered the process of registering your business. This legal step gives your business legitimacy and protects your brand name. It's also a prerequisite for securing funding in many cases. Speaking of funding, we explored various options available for financing your business, from personal savings and loans to seeking investors and grants. Having ample funding is crucial to start and grow your business. With these steps, you're now equipped to start your business journey in Ethiopia. Remember, success in business is not an overnight feat, but with determination and the right strategies, you can make money in Ethiopia.